Hello everyone, good morning. Today I will describe on a topic of never give up. Never give up. What is the never give up? Never give up means you have a one goals and you can try again and again. And after that you are fail. We are fail in the goal, and sometimes we are success in the goal. So life is full of ups and downs. So I think never give up is you are properly and consistency. You are working hard and you are proper hard working and also smart works. So I think you are continuously work hard, and after that you are success in our life. So in examples of as like Edison, Thomas Edison. So it's a electrical invent electric bulbs. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Salman and my topic is public speaking, and my topic is public speaking and education. Education is very important, but in life, education is role is very important in life. Education education is important, but education is face our life, and
My name is Rashikar Singh. Today I want to talk about never give up. Never give up is a powerful motto to encourage and perseverance for life, and in resilience case, when we get the failure, when we come to bounce back for success. At that time, we need to never give up, because we never give up when we try to something to. Many resistance come in our path, but we face it with determination and dedication and concentration. At that time, we will succeed in our life and our goals. And that time, we never give up. Second thing is persistence. Persistence means until when we learning until that when we will not get the success. That thing is clear. The never give up is most important for our life, because our life is very difficult and tough in this era, because without hard working and without continuing learning, you will never achieve anything. Thank you.
My name is Rohit. I will speak about the never give up. So never give up is a term where we need to focus on the good routine. Good routine comes with the patience, and patience comes with discipline. And disciplines, we have to make good discipline. It is required a resilience. So when we have a good, very meaningful goal and resilience in our life, so we rarely never give up. And if we are still have some situation and condition and trying to give up the things, so resilience is things which really help us to grow in that way. And if we have a very meaningful goal in our life, so we always focus on how to achieve it. And in that case, any kind of challenges, we just face it with the help of confidence and with keep the good surrounding, and the approach with resilience, with the approach which comes through the resilience. So that's how we can never give up.
Speak louder.
hello everyone. Today I want to speak about a very important topic, that is the never give up. So life is not easy. Everyone faces challenges and demotivation in our life, and also self-doubt. But we should maintain our daily routine, and also because of everyone any successful person is they succeed. Failure is not either equal to failure is not like a bad thing. Failure, we can learn from the failure, and so failure is the part of the success. And so because every successful person succeed before they work hard, and so when we work hard, still we don't get success. So don't that in that time in the time feels doubt. Okay.
Today I'm going to speak on the topic never give up. People should never give up in their life, whether it is very hard, whether it is lots of challenges come in their life, like students in schools and in college or in professional life. If a student get poor result in their exams, they should never give up. They should never give up in their life. They should do more hard work. So failure is not just losing yourself. It helps you to learn more, do more hard work. So failure is also a part of a success. Is a stair of success.
My name is Soni Kumari. Today I will describing never give in public speaking. Life is a very unpredictable in every situation. Everyone have lots of facing lots of situations, and everyone have goals. When we start our journey, every time we are failure and not success in every situation. Some people more hard worker and some are less hard worker, and some have more confidence and some are less confidence. But everyone doesn't give up every situation. Everyone use our own self confidence in our life.
Good afternoon. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. My topic: never give up. Never give up means not quitting when life becomes difficult. Everyone faces problems and failure. Sometimes we feel tired and want to stop. But giving up is not the solution. Failure teaches us important lessons and helps us become stronger. All successful people have faced failure before achieving success. When we fall, we should stand up again and keep trying. Even small efforts made every day can lead to big success. Problem come test us the make us stronger, not be break us. So no matter how hard the situation is, believe in yourself. Hard never.
Today I will talk about today I will discuss about how to build our life and never give up. Okay? If life is never easy. Everyone has problems in our life, like difficulties and hard work in our life. Success comes with those who keep trying again and again, and many great people who keep trying and again he can achieve on goals, and those who not trying again and again he cannot he will become disappointed in our life. And in conclusion we can say we should not never become disappointed and never lose on hope. We should always positive thinking and firm mind and trying again and again. In examination we feel something.
My name is Manish Yadav, and today my public speaking topic is never give up. So never give up means putting efforts in the things and never letting our morale down, so that we can achieve our main goal which we want. So if we have the ability to never giving up, by that we can only achieve our goals. Never giving up simply means
Like 1 minute.
one.
Never giving up simply means. So our today's topic is like never give up. So the term never give up tell us like how we have to become a persistent, become a confidence. Like if we are failing in something, we have to like carry on that task every day and with our full heart. Never give up is like apply on the everything. Like if we are students, like I am giving the speech. If I am not able to speak, so like for the 2 seconds, so I have to not give up the things. Like I have to try the things. In student life,
So good morning, good afternoon everyone. My name is Aisha and the topic is never give up. Sometimes we fail, sometimes we feel tired, and sometimes we feel like quitting. But giving up is not the solution. Every successful person, did not give up. They tried again and again, and they become a successful person. We have to believe. We have believe in yourself. We do not have to hesitate and become confident. Good afternoon. My name is Lovely. Today, the topic never give up. So never give up even when life becomes difficulties or challenges are a part of life, and challenges are a part of success, and makes strong. Every challenge make us strong. And if we keep trying with patience and determination, then success will surely come one day.
Hello everyone, my name is Raj Kumar. Today my lesson topic is never give up. Never give up means keep trying even when life becomes difficult. Everyone faces problems, failure and fear at some point. But these moments teach us important lessons. When we fall, we should stand up with more strength and confidence. Success does not come in one day. It comes to those who do not.
Today I am going to speak on a topic, never give up. Never give up means not stop trying when things get hard. Failure is a part of life. Students get motivated when they fail in exam or in